Hi, my name is Tyler from Gardenworks, and this is our natural Douglas fir. This is my favorite tree because it's got a strong fragrance and a lot of character, a vibrant green color, and great texture. My favorite tree.
Hi, this is an amazing tree. It's a grand fir, incredibly fragrant. I'm Scott from Gardenworks. These trees came from the Fraser Valley. I would put one of these up every year. As it fluffs out, there's lots of room for decorations, and you just can't beat the citrusy flavor or fragrance of the tree.
Hi, I'm Leanne from Gardenworks, and my absolute favorite Christmas tree is the Canadian-grown Fraser fir. I love it. It has really strong branches and tight needles that stay on the tree. The other thing I love about it is the branches are spaced apart. So it's great for showing off your family ornaments and looks gorgeous with the tree lights. It's fragrant. Honestly, I just love this tree. It's my favorite and it's my pick every season.
Hi, I'm Emily from Gardenworks, and this is my favorite tree, the Nordman fir. What I love about it is this natural blue-green color, very strong branches, which is excellent for heavier ornaments, some gaps in the tree too for larger ornaments, and it has a very pleasant fragrance.
Hi, I'm Peter from Gardenworks, and I wanted to tell you that the noble fir is my absolute favorite Christmas tree. It has a beautiful shape, has a beautiful color, bluey-green color. The fragrance is amazing, very strong branch structure, and probably the most appealing feature about it is that the needles are incredibly strong. They stay on the tree. This is the tree that you'll have right through till January, February even. So, favorite tree, great for hanging ornaments on it. It's got nice strong stems and branches so that you can hang your ornaments on it.